Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make spiral staircase again with the simple trick. Anyway, we can use circle and we can start from this origin, then we can type 100s to make it smoother for the edge. Then we have to offset for the radius maybe around 2 meter. Okay, so you can see about the circle anyway. And okay, so you can offset it inside with offset tool. You have to offset it inside maybe around 1000 millimeter or 1 meter. And you can also make the line over there, start from here until this position, and you can select this line in this position. Then we can select rotate, and we can rotate it until 270 degree, and we can type 30 slash enter, or maybe it's too small, we have to try again. Maybe we can make the 15. Okay, we can type 270 degree, and then we can type 15 slash enter. Okay, it would be simple arrangement of this staircase anyway. Okay, so we can delete some unnecessary line over there using a erase tool anyway. Okay, anyway, we have to make it smoother running of this user interface. Anyway, we can select the style, and okay, it will be smoother running anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the another step. We have to delete for the some unnecessary line over there. We can select this one anyway, and we can also anyway we have to make it group first. Then we can just click it, enter the group, and edit, copy, and then we have to edit, paste in place anyway. And then we have to push it up around 180 millimeter. Then we have to make group, and we can select this staircase, and then we can make it component and create. Okay, and then we have to rotate it and duplicate it. Then we can click this position, and then we can type 15. We can type x 15. It will be automatically duplicate, and then we have to make all of this staircase to be one group and make group. Okay, then we have to select it all, select all, Control A, and we can unselect for this one of this staircase, and then we have to move. Then we can place on the upper position, and then we have to move again, and then place on the upper position again, and we can try to, we have to move it to the another position again. Okay, we have to move it again and again anyway. Okay, we have to move it for every single stair step anyway, and we have to be patient to make it complete from start to the complete step anyway. Okay, we have to move again. We have to move again and again. Okay, we have got the basic shape of this staircase, and then we can try to select this one, select line, and select move, and place to the upper position, so it will be smooth bottom position of this staircase anyway. And we can try to draw the railing. We can use a line, start from this position. We can draw the line one by one anyway. We can draw the line one by one for every single corner of this staircase. We can draw it patiently. So for example, this is enough. Then we have to select all this line and right click and just weld edge, so it will be automatically connected for every single line over there to be one element anyway. So we have to see what the length of this line anyway in this information tab anyway. We can look, that's appear the number 9741. Then we have to make the railing length the same on this value anyway. So I hope you understand about it. We have to type in 9741 on the red axis anyway. So we have to make the line on the red axis. Okay. We have to type it persist of this guiding line of the railing length with the on the entity info of this line. Okay, we have to move it for the better position anyway. For example, just anywhere position, but it should be a red axis. Okay, so we have to select it this line, and then we have to move this position, and then we can using line, and we can draw the line with the blue axis. So maybe we can set the height 1000 meter, and then we can make the symbol rectangle on parallel with the red axis. Please remember, parallel with the red axis anyway. Okay, so we have to make the unique design anyway. We have to offset it inside. So maybe we can use 2-point arc anyway in this position. We can use 2-point arc, something like this, and we can throw it organically. Maybe we can draw the organic shape over there with the 2-point arc on this position. It's just for simple example anyway, so you can develop it by yourself, because it's just for example. And maybe we can just copy it to the another position over there. You can move and duplicate it for any position. Okay, it's just for simple example. If you wanna make the more unique shape of this curvy line basic model, you can try to exercise by yourself by watching this tutorial anyway. So and after that, we can delete some unnecessary plane over there that we feel it no needs, or just something like this. Okay, maybe it's just something like this, and then we can also delete some unnecessary unconnected line over there. We have because we have to push and pull it to the forward or the backward, so we have to make sure that all of this curve are connected to be one surfaces over there. So we have to push it to the front. It's about the thickness of this stair railing anyway. Maybe we can set the railing thickness around 50 millimeter, and we have to make it group anyway. Okay, you can see about the railing basic shape, and then you have to move this line anyway with the same length with the basic line of this staircase, spiral staircase. We have to move the line on this position. Okay, on this position. So we have to move on this position, on this object with the red axis parallel. So we have to select the extension and select the shape bender. If you have no shape bender, you have to download first anyway. Okay, we have to select this component first, and then we can select shape bender. Then we can select the straight line on the red axis parallel anyway. So you okay. until appear the start and the end position, and then we have to select this spiral staircase basic line, and then until appear this green, then we have to enter anyway. Okay, so it would be something like this. Anyway, it will be automatically arranged by the same length with the value that we have set before anyway. Okay, and after that maybe we can set the material such as wood material. Maybe we can select this wood railing until this position. Okay, I think it's enough. I will be good learning for you, and you can exercise you by yourself to improve your skill for making the difficult object of this SketchUp, such as spiral staircase, just like this. Or you can improve to make the another organic railing, or you can make the more artistic railing on this spiral staircase. Okay, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.